Hey guys, tech in 60 seconds, and here we go. So, HTC and Nokia settle out in the patent war that they had to share patents in order to, for HTC to alleviate its problem of getting the HTC One Mini and the HTC One in the UK and Germany. So, hopefully that will help lift the ban on those devices out there in Europe. Also, the Nexus 5 releases a red variant. So, if you guys, had the black and white, now there's a red one. Um, HTC also talking about that they're going to make a wearable device, most likely a watch, and that wouldn't be. They're hoping for a release date around quarter 4 of this year. Um, Sean Wozniak basically talks about Apple needing to build a device that will house Android. So that's pretty much like been going on across the Twitter world and everything. So with all these little quick topics, let me know what you guys think in the comment section of this video. If you guys like these little 60-second clips, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thanks for watching.